In this video, we'll show you how to use Agility Blue's Global Search feature. Agility Blue's dashboards and grids provide a convenient way to filter for records at the object field level. However, if you want to search across your whole workspace for clients, matters, projects, and tasks, use the Global Search feature. To run a search from the dashboard, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Put in your search term and click Enter. Agility Blue uses natural language search syntax and performs a full-text search across all fields in clients, matters, projects, and tasks, including your custom fields. To browse your search results, click into the level you'd like to see, and your search results are ordered by relevance. To see more information from an item, click Show More. To go to that item's details page, click on the item's name. For more information about working in Agility Blue, check out our other videos or the Agility Blue help documentation.